Okay. Now I know you probably clicked on this video for one or two things. One could be the title and the problem that everyone has with Viltrox lenses, and I'm going to get into that. But the second thing may just be that I have the new 85 1.4 from Viltrox that just dropped today. In any case, we're going to get into it. So let's go. So before we get into those two things, let me show you all what this lens actually looks like. It is completely solid, okay? This is not plastic. This is definitely aluminum, and I love how the throws feel on both the focusing and on the f-stop ring. And might I add that this lens has weather sealing. So with the Pro Line lens, you know you are getting absolutely nothing but quality. Okay, let's get into the first thing that everybody has a problem with these lenses, and that is when you originally get the lens. I don't know if you all can hear that, but you hear this jostling inside the lens, and so everybody does not like that. I talk to a lot of people, and that's the first concern that they have. Now, what I want to clear up is what that actually is. It's not a design flaw. It's not anything of that nature. It is actually a self-innovated design that Viltrox implemented within their line of lenses. It's Hyper VCM, which is several motors within the lens that are floating actually, and it's supposed to help with a faster, more accurate autofocus within the lens. With that being said, there is absolutely nothing wrong with these lenses, okay? In fact, that hasn't had any effect on the quality that I've been able to create with any of these Viltrox lenses. So I'm here to tell you, do not worry. I know that sometimes it's hard to get over new designs, and you know that might scare you, but it will not affect anything, and I promise that these are okay. Now, getting into this lens, absolutely amazing. 85, if you know Viltrox, they have been bringing out some pretty affordable glass at a nice price compared to the competitors, okay? And so with this 85, it actually became a lens that I have used a lot more in my workflow and kept in my bag. Now, this is the Sony version, so I've used the Sony A7IV, and I've also done some video on my Sony A7S3. Here today, I am in Yonkers, New York, and I'm in this lovely garden, and so I decided to capture some images here. Check them out. Let me know what you think.
I remember the days, always at the same place, the same people every day. I will never forget this black old Corvette standing in front of my way. We were both in high school. I thought I was a fool. Oh, when I was falling for you, you keep drawing me in, and I know it's a sin, but even so, yeah.
I hope you enjoyed those quick photos that I took, but I also did a few other photo shoots before that you can check out the full video on this channel, and now you'll actually know that I took them with this 85.
People every day. I will never forget this black old Corvette standing in front of my way. We were both in high school. I thought I was a fool. Oh, when I was falling for you.
1, 2.
You keep drawing me in, and I Sunday.
1, 2.
Feels so bittersweet, knowing I can leave.
Perfect.
You taste like candy. Eat you on a Sunday. I can feel the beat of my heart and peace. 'Cause you taste like candy.
First shoot, but I'm trying to do like 2 shoots right here, so I'm going to take advantage of the light while it's still good. But ironically, the second outfit that I told her to bring was like a pink outfit, and if you look like right over my shoulder here, it's like a lifeguard tower that has some accent of pink in there. So I'm definitely going to include that. All right. So we went kind of under the pier. That was kind of one scene, and now it's going to be kind of more.
Eat you on a Sunday. Feels so bittersweet, knowing I can live. You taste like candy. Eat you on a Sunday. I can feel the beat of my heart increase. 'Cause it tastes like candy.
Now, in terms of comparison, I compared this with the 85 G Master, the version 1, and I gotta tell you, I'm going to go with the Viltrox. Now, I have not compared it to the second version, but that is on my to-do list. So if you are thinking that this could be a lens that you want, which we just want to know, does it work? Does it work is the question. I'm here to tell you this lens works. It's a hell of a lens. I'm happy to have it in my kit. If you have any questions, any concerns, leave it in the comments below. T to the M to the IDD, and I'm out.